Hey, let's do some FPV flying. Stay tuned. Hey, thanks for coming to ArtCo Drone Solutions. We got a great video for you today. We're going to be flying this drone at Riverdale Park. Actually, we're right next to the museum because the playground is closed off. Couldn't get to that, and they've got a really nice playground for flying. So we're out in this parking lot here, and we're going to do some flying with my buddy Daryl. He's got his drone. Don't know what he's going to be flying. Maybe he brought his baby hawk with him, and maybe his squirt. I don't know. Or Avada. Who knows what he's going to be flying. So I'm going to be flying this around, and this will be the first time I've flown this outside my apartment. So I got all the gear with me, so sit back and enjoy the video. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you like that video, please subscribe and go check out some of my other cool videos I have on this channel. I do have one video you might be interested in. It's how to unbind a DJI drone if you bought the drone through a third party. Go check that out. I'll either have a card up here or If you get to the end of the video, it'll have a link to that video and some other cool videos. I've got some camera drone videos and some FPV stuff. So sit back and, well, and thanks for watching. And check out my live stream on Saturday evenings at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, 7 Eastern Time. And remember, keep them flying.